Greetings once again to all my fellow watch enthusiasts on YouTube and Facebook and anywhere else this video is being shared. It's Celine Driver again with another unboxing. Picked up another interesting find off of the old interwebs, specifically eBay once again. Somebody's really got to get me off eBay. Keep finding watches. Got too many watches. No, there's never too many watches. Anyway, found another Seiko. People say that a good watch collection should have one of these type of watches in their collection, and quite honestly, I didn't see too many of this particular type that I liked. I mean, not enough to buy anyway until I found this one by accident. Well, stop delaying. Just open her up, and we've got, ta-da! We got a Monster, but not the typical orange or blue-faced Monster or anything like that. We got what I've seen referred to as either a baby Monster or an ice Monster. I call it the ice Monster because it's white face with the blue trimmings and so on, but it is a Monster. And it came previously owned, nicely loved though, and it came with two straps, which was one reason I picked this particular one up, because I can have a choice. Evidently the previous owner never used the bracelet. It's still got its plastic on it. And you know what? Normally I would have swapped this out by now, but I kind of like this this strap. It's a canvas kind of style strap with the blue stitching, and I don't know, I like it. So, and it doesn't feel too bad, and it wears well. So I'm going to keep it on there for a while. Anyway, let's put all this back because we don't need that. Just put that in the background there and concentrate on the ice Monster. I like it. It is model number is SRP481K1. Nice smooth 120 click bezel action. Works very well. Lines up just nicely. Except the genius turning the bezel didn't line it up properly, but there you go. Well, maybe a hair off, but you know, at this price point, I'm not going to quibble. So, very nice watch. Exhibition case back, so you know it's not a real serious dive watch like the like most Monsters are. But I'm not a scuba diver, so I pretty much bought it for its look. Let's see. So I don't know if it's correctly referred to as a baby Monster or an ice Monster. If somebody wants to comment below and let me know. But I'm going to keep referring to it as the ice Monster until such time as somebody corrects that. Now let's see. We've got a 4R36 movement. You can see that on the back. It's on the rotor, I believe. Yes, it is right there. And it is water resistant to 10 bar, which translates to 100 meters. So not, as I said, a serious dive watch. You can snorkel with it, swim with it, take a shower with it, but wouldn't want to go too deep with it. It's emphasized by a non-screw down crown but it is a hackable, windable movement with a knurled crown, which I like that because of its rather aggressive crown guards. It's easy to get a hold of and to turn with, and it winds very smoothly. So, and as I said, I didn't buy this new. I bought it previously owned, and as you can see, it doesn't look like it's had a lot of wear to it. Everything seems to be in great shape. No scratches to the Hardlex crystal. No beat up marks on the bezel. Turns smoothly, doesn't jam. No scratches. And I think this is a non-Seiko buckle and bracelet, but it doesn't show a lot of evidence of desk diving, as they call it. It's a, as I said, a 4R36 movement. I've got my little spec sheet here. 43 millimeter in diameter. Believe it or not, 11 millimeters thick. That's pretty thin for a Monster. I mean, that's what the spec sheet said. Looks a little thicker than that to me, but I'll go with 11 millimeter since I left my calipers in the other room. 22 millimeter lug width, so any old strap you want to throw on it would work. As I said, it's got a Hardlex crystal, and it's 100 meter water resistant. It says so right there on the face and on the back. It is one of their Seiko 5 Sports line watches. That 4R36 movement seems to be a favorite with this lineup. Gives you the day and date complication at the 3 o'clock. I have had this in the dark, so I know that the Superlume is very bright. I just can't show you in here. But trust me, it's really easy to read. Got that nice little lume pip at the 60-minute mark on the bezel, so it's easy to line up. Lume on the second hand, and of course on the very prominent hour and minute hands. So very easy watch to read, light or dark. Fits well. I have good sized wrists, so I can support this kind of watch very easily. Fits beautifully. Doesn't look overly ridiculously tall like some watches out there. Not too heavy, so it's going to wear well over the course of a day. And I like the way the blue stitching on the aftermarket band matches up with the blue on the watch face, which is one of the compelling reasons I'm going to keep this band on. Other than that, and it's different from pretty much every other Seiko watch I have, which are all on metal bracelets. So simple watch, not too much to go over. Just something that I saw and I liked and I got at a really good price. So I'm happy with my purchase. If you are happy with my video, give me a thumbs up before you leave. Comments down there. I've been getting a lot of comments lately on my other videos. I appreciate that, and I've answered every one of them, so I hope you appreciate my efforts. Subscribe if you are in mind to, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that when I post new videos like this one, you're alerted to that and you can come over and take a look. So I'm going to move on to other ideas for videos. I'm going to leave this one as finished, and thank you for stopping by, and see you next time.